You can see this is the Ledum PSC Mega Water Project drinking Ledum team. This is the way. You can see the difficulties faced by our brave steps. They need efforts from the society. Ledum drinking Mega Water Project restoration team. They are on the mission without caring their lives in such a harsh condition. And HOS, the practical man on the practical sport, to feel the difficulty faced by our brave staffs. You see, it is not an easy task. Any what one they used to face here. This is the way through which you can reach the main point. You see, the brave stops, PSC stop. Big efforts for them.